We're trying out the new TV.
I think starts.
But Richard's gonna refund this TV and get a better one, and it's £30 cheaper.
Yep.
I think this is okay. But the one that you're gonna it's Samsung. Oh, so I can connect my phone.
You can probably connect your phone to this anyway, but it'll be better for you.
Yay. Okay, good. But anyway, yeah, this is a TV.
You can pin anything. It's just going for the instructions.
It's really big.
It's 50-inch.
Okay. Good.
Do you have anything in mind? I was thinking McDonald's breakfast, but I don't know if there's any breakfast on the way to the camping ground.
Good morning.
Are we in the New Forest?
Good morning, people.
Ja. Are we...
I'm trying to start a vlog here.
One sec. Ah! Are we camping in New Forest?
Yes, it's in New Forest. So we are... There is a McDonald's, remember? We went, Babe.
Yes, there is, isn't it?
Yeah, we went. So we are preparing... This guy's not. I am prepared. Fully prepared to go to camping. We're gonna have a barbecue first. Then we're gonna camp there. Gonna have a barbecue.
That's some good deals.
Yeah, and he has the Argos card where you buy now and pay 6 months later.
Oh, okay.
We
Well,
are on the way now to
just
New
in
Forest.
full?
Oh no, to Asta, because we need to get marshmallow, crackers, and some other bits. So yeah, the car
What
is
make
loaded
that?
with food, lots and lots of food.
Ah.
And it's like 40 times zoom, and I could stop people.
You can. Is that what you've been doing?
Zoom at people, zooms.
Because, you know, at the old house,
Yeah.
our old house now, there was like a tall building right opposite.
So they went. You took out one of these staff out to learn a driver.
At the camping site.
So just avoid the soggy spots. Other than that, it's all fair game.
Hey, Rich.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah. Do you want to tell them what happened?
We booked, and we booked for. We added 2 adults on, so it was like 4 adults. But we only paid for 1 pitch, so we have.
It's kind of confusing because they don't say it in the website. So
We had to reduce it down to 2 adults, then pay again for 1 adult, and 2 adults and a pitch, which is more, and you have to pay for the daily rate, not the advance rate, so it's like an extra £15.
yeah.
It is what it is. We're here now, lesson learned. We'll stick it. Better
So-
to get 1 big tent.
So be careful when you book, and better to get 1 big tent, like just try to fit everyone in a big tent.
Yeah. But we're here, lovely weather.
Yep, it is.
Okay,
Yay!
that. I'll read you the bits and
Should we just, this looks like a tent area in front. Should we just go straight in front?
There's horse.
Oh,
Quite a big site.
Horse.
Oh, bagging in.
okay, so if you want to go right, if you want to...
See, that's the tent that we were gonna get. That one
One sec.
was £75.
What's that really dark area? We're about...
哎，没有，我们要买的是那个，不是？那个吗？
那个浅的。
这个吗？不是？
哇！
Yeah, this is like a tent. The public building.
哇，你看人家还有 set up 椅子，
我们没有嘞。
我们是很 cheap 的。
Do you want to go down? Oh, you can't go there. Okay.
Have to be 3 meters away.
We want somewhere we can throw the frisbee around and stuff.
Hi, little kid.
Or do you want to go down?
小心哦，他们。
他的鞋子脱了。
Tent area only. Is that? Can we not go on that field over there? I think that must be the boundary.
I think so.
哎，好像没有位置给我们 camp 这样的喂。
其实很大的，你看，它有个 map。The only place we can't camp is right at the corner. Bottom left corner.
你看这 tent 多美。
Do we keep our tents? It looks really tight.
你知道我去听 Look at all those posh tents.
You shit. This shit.
我有看到 horse 还是 cow 的。
他讲真的有很多靠。
What's that?
其实这本上我可以。
对哦，这个太阳这边那位，
嗯？
要不要？看这边啦。哇，夜森的森林里面啊。We need to go somewhere.
Can we go right in front of us, like over there? Or is that not allowed?
It says no camping.
Oh man, what's that say? No camping.
No camping.
How about here?
About in the middle there.
Oh no, I don't think we can camp because there's
No camping.
Oh yeah. God damn it.
哎
That was a good. That's a good spot actually.
Yeah,
It tucked in there.
yeah. Actually,
哎，
that
跟我们要3 meter from each other。
我也是觉得是很奇怪。可是你看这些 camp，这些 tent，他们可以一起的，怎
Do you
么
wanna go?
哪一个？
这么你看有一些 tent 隔壁，你看两个隔壁的 tent，why 啊？
Do you wanna go back to
你看
over
啊，
there
你看
to
这
the
个，你看
right?
这个，你看两个隔壁
Do you wanna go back to the right over there? There was some space.
我觉得可以啦。哎，刚才那边好嘞，有一个树挡着，不会
Right there.
热。
OK。
We got some chairs. Got chairs from them. Thank you, our neighbor, for a day.
Like, cause we'll be like 15 minutes, won't we? Like 5 minutes there.
I think it's gonna take some time.
Should we go now then? And
放了个 cheese 在上面。
等哦，我觉得如果放 cheese 它滴下去了。
啊，对了，等一下啦，可以吗？你小心啊，它那个哦是 plastic 的，它们会融掉啊。哎，它会 attack 我们的 tent 吗？有很多苍蝇。
我就是刚才看到很多苍蝇。
你说它不会来吗？
应该不会。
因为我们要怎么赶它走？如果它来，它不会 attack 你的 tent。
希望不会。
我是
过来，不要过来。
我是，怎么突然全部？哦，他讲你不能车走了。They're playing this Joker soccer. So you have to spin,
pull one out.
and then you have to pull one out. Piwa boom! Oh my god! No, but it's the last four. It's unfair.
Okay, we
Okay,
pick.
your turn.
I will play when Christine is here.
Pull one
Out
pin
and, oh god.
and spin again. Pull one pin and spin again.
Yeah.
No, spin again. Pull one pin.
Oh my god!
instant.
No, why is it my
Okay, never mind. I'm feeling quite hot. Might as well. And skip a go.
哎，来我们一
One
起
pin out. Okay, it's 50-50.
哦，快点，你看到，头上。
Oh, you were pulling out the other one. No. How?
Oh, it's dripping, it's dripping.
Reg is dripping.
You were originally pulling out the other one. I swear. Okay. How did we do this? Right, no.
Huh? It's dripping.
Okay, try that now.
I can feel it dripping.
Just
Pull one out.
Pull one out. That's what you got. If you want, just grab that. Okay, Ja, here you go. Pass me your phone.
But
forgot
it
that
is
one.
dripping. Like,
Yeah, I know.
although it's not your turn, it's still like. It's
Yeah, it's okay. Did you just move
no,
that?
no, I see this. And
Ah,
then
okay,
I can't
okay.
read it.
Pull one out.
Pull them all out.
Oh. Next.
Oh.
Your turn.
Dipping. Oh, Ja, don't take that.
Pull one out.
I thought that was like not coming out initially. Pull one out.
Oh, this is very painful.
Try the fillet. Let's take a closer look. It says pull all of them out.
It's not.
Should I spin it for you? Just do that. What's that?
Pull one out.
Is it dripping?
No, it's not you. It's just leaking a lot.
Oh,
Leaking.
Ja.
there's 3. Oh.
1, 2, 3, yeah. 我觉得它涩的，我转不到了。
它很，哎，它一直在 drip 啦，根本就 pull one.
What was it?
Pull one out.
Where is it? Okay.
Oh.
Of you two and like.
But it depends if I get the one where you pull one out and spin again, then I'm doomed.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
哦，哎，根本就是在 leak 啦，你看我。
对呀。
Pull one out.
Front or back? Choose one. Choose wisely.
Oh no.
You can always get reverse order, spin and go, and that. If you get the green one, you're safe. You didn't even spin.
Yeah, you could have skipped
He's
it.
hot.
I'm hot. That's right. It's okay. I like it.
Okay, please just do it.